Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. Shenseea Single and me single.
The two of you single?
Me and Shenseea are more like best friend.
So why not tease the public with post?
No, we're not tease nobody. Listen to me, at the end of the day, we're free for doing anything we want. We're not obligated to nobody. Social media is promotion.
It's what it is. Social media.
If me right now, if me broke like dog, nobody on social media not gonna know. Drip, just rich. I saw it I go feel because you must not never ever know.
Yeah.
Never make your enemy know say you got you rough. Because remember, you have enemies out there, you have bad mind out there. You can't make them know where you got you as pain. So you just flourish everybody with greatness and goodness and positivity.
Yes. And it helped them.
But it have helped.
It helped people.
Listen to me. If you get up,
the followers.
But it help everybody to even help you.
Whoa, hold on a minute, you know. You hear what come out of Romiech mouth, right? Him say him and Shenseea are just best friend. The two of them single. So all this time, Jamaica feels say only they together and boy baby involved, which is baby fifth where you see me. So y'all tell me say nothing no go so. It is a joke, it's a lie. You never see smoke without fire, you know. That's why I hear Mackerel from what you depend say a Romiech want. Social media. You never hear it from me, you hear it from the man himself. You see what I say? So you just comment and let me know what you think. I don't know the thing set up already. You see what I say to you? Anyways, if you're new to the channel and if you know more what go on, you have to click the subscribe button. You see me, leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this way just see a Dancehall Skilla ENT. You know, big up on yourself, you know. You see it. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.